Nature is amazing. For to see it, you have to stop. Stop for a second. And then you're gonna see the miracles. I'm walking on the ground, so it's kind of difficult to keep the balance. But soon gonna be chaos, because nature feels when human comes. Because in the past, they've been hurted by humans. But we're gonna be different. Now we know we cannot do that. We cannot hurt anyone. We have to love everything. The nature, the plants, the animals. Look, I am the human. They take time to react because my vibration is different. They know I am not planning to hurt them. That's why they stay in peace. I thought they're gonna run, but they don't. That's even surprise for me. That's where is the magic. You see? Peacefully they take in their own way away. They're not scared. They're just floating peacefully. That's what it is when you change your frequency. That is brain hack. That is peaceful in the mind. That is love vibration. They know it. That's why they feel safe. And they're not scared. There is the mother. And I have no idea how many chicks. Isn't it wonderful? This is wonderful, man. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. Do you hear the bird sounds around? Stop for a second. In the nature. See it. Feel it. Feel it through your heart. With my vibration, there is no chaos. I'm so surprised. That's where the magic come. If you believe it. See you later, alligator.